How to manage privacy reminder notification on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage privacy reminder notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and now click these three points here and then click this one, settings, and now go down and you will find this one here, notifications. Click on it and then you will find this one here, privacy reminder. If you want to turn it off, just click on it and click this one, and as you see, privacy reminder has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.